Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have Matlock's Meatloaf. The way you make this is you start off with 2 pounds of ground beef, and then you want to add 2 eggs that you've beaten the shit out of, roughly about 1 onion, kind of eyeball it. It's 1 medium onion, so just eyeball it. And then you want to add 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. Now, I know this next ingredient might sound a little weird, but you want to add 2 cups of tomato sauce. Get the old pepper grinder out and season liberally with salt and pepper. And then you want to add about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Then lock your mixer in place and give it a good old mixing. Mix until everything is incorporated. Okay, then you want to take the bowl and drop the mix into a meatloaf pan. This will be fairly loose, so it's going to form pretty easily. So you won't have to fight with it that much. Then you want to have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And you're going to pop this in, and you're going to want to bake it till it reaches 165. I think that took about 30 minutes for me. I wasn't really paying attention. Okay, after your loaf hits 160, take it out and brush it with about 1/4 cup of ketchup, and then pop it back into the oven for 10 more minutes, or until the ketchup looks like this. All right, let this rest and cool for a little bit, and then we're going to pop this out of the pan, and we'll carve it up for serving. All right, as you can see here, we have our meatloaf all carved up. Now let's take a piece off of this. Okay, so get yourself a plate and take a piece, and this meatloaf is, in fact, so tender that the pieces will literally fall apart if you pick them up wrong. Anyway, this meatloaf was absolutely delicious. Did not last very long in my fridge. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's Matlock's Meatloaf. Done.